Okay guys, we will do create over here. We're on scratch, okay? When we create, it will be like this, going to right and doing it. But then, do you know what we're gonna do today? I believe I can fly. Everyone knows that. Yeah. I can make another tab and then open the same scratch. I could open one of my stuffs. Gonna be in share project and go to somewhere I don't know which one it should be. Which one is it? I know it could be. We're gonna make a flying dog, okay, guys? Flying dog's gonna be like this. Like this.
I believe I can fly.
Oh yeah. It'd be like that. And we're gonna. And how to make them? First, we will get our scratch thing off. And then we will choose one rectangle. And then we will choose a rectangle. When we choose a rectangle, then we will choose the last one, like the XY grid. Yeah. It will be like this. Like this. Show you the grids have these leaves. Okay, then we will pick up a sprite. And what sprite we should choose? Maybe a dog, like over here. Let's choose it. We can choose it as the dog. So we will go to animals. Animal would be good. And we will choose the first dog. Good idea. We can just we put this here. We can change the X to 0. This also turn to 0. When it turns to 0, we will take a, not just that, but can you look at the grids? The grid is very complaining. Here is the grids, and they have this. They have +2. Pluses mean don't have anything, but if it have a little thing like this, that means it's going left, right, and up should be plus, and down should be like that. Oh yeah. You can just go out and then you start coding. You can see on the coding if you can't remember. Yeah. But I'm not seeing inside. You should look your own. Well, first we'll put when clicked. Get the direction to your same place. And look at the dog, guys. The dog will be like this, not over here. So we will do like this and hold him back to his place. And it will be like grids. And this thing too. You put it here, right to it, back to its place. And it will be the same. And when we click, we will go to motions and go to X. So you can change to anything. And when you click this, it will come at somewhere else, or if you want, I want to put it in the middle. But at the middle is not. We're gonna make a I believe I can fly, so it will be like this, right? You should change it. Maybe put it definitely here, and then go to it. Then if you move it somewhere and we click here, it will come back to here where we set up. Okay? And then when that time is passed, we will do something with this. Like, you can turn it to forever. Forever we're gonna set. We're gonna not set, but we are gonna duplicate this. Not put it here and hit the forever to trash. And it we'll go here and then we will move the thing to here. Guiding is like that. Okay guys? Then we'll here do like this, and when you move, it will be like this forever, and no days to stop. And then you will just, when we're done like this already, we will now put a next costume. Next costume we can put it when it's like this or like this if you want. No need to worry. Click it, it's gonna change to tongue off. Tongue off, tongue off, off. Funny guys. It's okay about this. Don't need to worry about it. Because I'm not saying it. Don't need to save project for it. Nothing. And then when we're done, we will put some sounds. Go to Ragdoll. Ragdoll is great. And we will change the Ragdoll. We will go to Ragdolls. We will delete this. Do the lead down and then don't the paint. You just choose the Ragdoll. When you choose a Ragdoll, we will just choose to Blue Sky 2. It may be good. Or maybe Blue Sky 1 if you want. Blue Sky, only Blue Sky 1. Or you can delete this off. Haha. Change to Blue Sky. And we go with the when click. When click, we will let it put some sounds and we will get some sounds. We won't record, but choose a sound. There are no sounds that we want. So we just upload sound. And they have these sounds that I just get them up and export them up. And what I believe I can find, so I open it. And when I open it, I will get start sound. When you open it, it will have a sound.
I believe I can fly.
We're done for this project. Good thing, guys. Now that we are done, we will go to C project page. You can name it anything, but maybe look like flying, like flying dog. Okay, good idea. See you next time, guys. Yeah. Just need to wait. Could be nasty.